Welcome to this moment of tranquility. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life. Our minds are constantly racing, and it's common to feel overwhelmed and stressed. But taking a step back to focus on our mental well-being is crucial. One simple yet powerful tool to achieve calmness is through sound. In this video, we'll delve into the world of calming sounds and explore their profound impact on our mental and emotional well-being. We'll discuss the science behind how calming sounds affect our brains and bodies, and we'll examine the various types of sounds that can help us relax. Research has shown that calming sounds can slow down our heart rate, lower our blood pressure, and even reduce stress hormones like cortisol. This is because our brains are wired to respond to certain sounds that evoke feelings of relaxation and calmness. For example, the sound of ocean waves or rain can transport us to a peaceful state, distracting us from our worries and concerns. So, what are the benefits of incorporating calming sounds into our daily lives? Here are just a few. Improved sleep quality. Calming sounds can help us fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly. Reduced anxiety and stress. By calming our minds and bodies, we can better cope with stress and anxiety. Increased focus and concentration. Calming sounds can help us stay focused and concentrated, leading to greater productivity. Enhanced mood and overall sense of well-being. Calming sounds can uplift our mood and leave us feeling more relaxed and at peace. So, what types of sounds can we use to calm our minds and bodies? Here are some popular options. Nature sounds, rain, thunderstorms, ocean waves, forest sounds. Instrumental music, piano, guitar, flute, harp. White noise, fan sounds, static, crackling fire. Binaural beats, specific frequencies designed to induce relaxation. Ambient sounds, coffee shop ambience, library sounds, gentle wind chimes. Incorporating calming sounds into our daily routine can have a profound impact on our mental and emotional well-being. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, improve sleep, or simply feel more relaxed, calming sounds can be a powerful tool. So take a deep breath, close your eyes, and let the calming sounds wash over you. Imagine yourself in a peaceful environment, surrounded by soothing sounds that calm your mind and body. As you continue on this journey, remember that taking care of our mental health is essential. It's as simple as pressing play and letting the calming sounds work their magic. Explore the world of calming sounds and discover the peace and tranquility that awaits you. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of calming sounds. I hope you found this video informative and relaxing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content on mental wellness and relaxation.